Video I'm showing you how you can hide likes on Facebook. So firstly open your Facebook app and then click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. After that you have to scroll down and then click on the settings in the privacy and then click on the settings. And when you are here you have to go to the preferences tab, and here you can see the second option, reaction preferences. Click on the reaction preferences, and here you can see all these options. So here you can see the on post from others. So this is the first option, hide number of reactions on post from others. So if you want to hide reactions on the others post, other Facebook post, so toggle this first option. And if you want to hide number of reactions on your post, so you can see the second option, on your post. You can read all these stuffs, so you have to enable this button, and now it will enable the hide number on your posts. So that's it, that how you can hide likes on Facebook. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.